Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi Pad 6. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and now click search and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to quickly switch between your devices, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications from your browser, or you can click not now. And now you can use your Firefox browser just like any other internet browser. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.